In this video we will learn how to resolve a help desk ticket in FlowHCM. First of all, we will log in into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Click on the help desk module on top navigation bar. So here you can see ticket resolution form. All ticket requests can be seen in the grid. Ticket details are shown in rows. Click on Action button, then View Comments. Resolution screen will be shown with ticket details. As an ticket agent, user can reply to the requester and attach a file as well. That user will be notified and sent email also. System will show a small pop-up indicating that your request is successfully submitted.